Guys, today I'm going to make a video of Spike the cup. So, you're going to want to do any Spike. You could do dry Spike, but I can't do that. Well, I could, it does really hard. You could do wet Spike for this video. For this video, I'm going to do wet Spike. So, if you're doing wet Spike, spin the ball, straighten out the string, get on, and then Spike. So you want to land Spike, then just go whoop, and do a small pop on the big cup. So I was on Spike at a big cup. You just pop it. So try that again. So Spike, then just go teeny pop like this big. Then land it, so like this. Oh wait. I was in Spike. Now go whoop. Then I didn't land that because my cups went loose and they tipped it off, so there. Yeah. Now if you want to do it around the world, go to base cup, change your grip. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.